Picture this. You're walking across a roof. Everything looks solid. Right under your step is a brittle skylight you can't see. One slip, gone in an instant. That's a very real danger on many older commercial roofs. Hi, I'm Richard with Camel City Roofing. Today I want to talk to you about the hidden threat that often goes unnoticed, old fiberglass skylights, and how they can put people's lives at risk. You see, years ago, fiberglass skylights were a common way to bring daylight into larger buildings. But over time, they degrade. UV exposure, weathering, repeated coatings, paint, dirt, all these things that make them brittle and weak. Even worse, many have been coated right over with roofing materials or grime, so they nearly vanish into the roof surface. When someone works on the roof, maintenance crews, HVAC techs, inspectors, it's super easy to misstep on one of these hidden skylights. And once broken, there's nothing to catch you. The result, fall through the roof, often serious injury, sometimes worse. Unfortunately, this isn't just theory. In 2025, across the US and abroad, there have already been tragic incidents involving falls through skylights. There was a recent incident in Pennsylvania. A young man, aged 34, fell about 30 feet through one of the skylights. In May, a roofer working on an industrial building fell about 45 feet through a skylight cover. Even overseas in Australia, a laborer fell just doing routine work on a skylight. These are real people, real tragedies, and many of these falls could have been prevented with either better awareness or safety planning. So, now let's talk about what to do. So if you're a building owner, there's ways you can reduce risk. Here are a few key steps you can take right now. First thing, get a thorough inspection. Hire a pro to walk the roof to find those skylights, especially the ones that have been coated over or barely visible. Once found, mark around each skylight with white paint, stencils, safety tape, so that anyone who walks on that roof knows exactly where they are. You can install metal screens or grates over the skylights, so to offer a barrier if someone steps on them, they won't fall through. If the skylight's super old and brittle or damaged beyond repair, replace it with a modern, strong material, or possibly even remove it completely, which is sometimes the best move. Keep in mind that anyone who goes on that roof, contractors, service techs, inspectors, should be briefed about the skylight locations, hazards, and safe walking paths. And finally, create safe walking paths using guardrails, warning lines, or walkboards to keep the foot traffic away from those hazardous zones. Now, if you own or manage a commercial building with a metal roof, don't wait. Schedule a professional roof evaluation today, especially to uncover those hidden skylights. At Camel City Roofing, we can help locate, assess, and recommend fixes so your roof isn't a danger zone. If you want some help getting started, reach out to me. Give us a call, 336-860-7663, or just visit camelcityroofing.com. So stay safe, and let's make sure no one else pays the price for invisible hazards.